Today our live session, YouTube live session, that is on tips and tricks to clear GATE examination. Civil engineering, tips and tricks. Actually, this is related to six months strategy. What today we are going to discuss is about 6 months strategy to clear GATE exam. Within 6 months, how to prepare, what to study, what not to study, how to prepare a timetable, how to make the revision. So within 6 months, whether the time is sufficient, not sufficient, what are important subjects, what are not important subjects, what is necessary, that is we are going to discuss today. Tips and tricks to clear GATE civil engineering. So for most of the students there is a lot of confusion. How to make timetable, how to prepare revision, what are the important subjects, what are unimportant subjects, which has to prepare, which not to prepare, like that. A lot of confusion among the students. So by today's session I will make clear for everyone regarding GATE 6 months preparation, what is needed and what is not needed. Got it? Hi Jagannath Reddy. Now GATE 2021 civil engineering pattern we are going to discuss here. GATE 2021. Yes, I will tell you surely by the end. You can continue till the end. Last session I will show the slides also, faculty photos also I have with me. Clear? I have given here my team, my faculty, who are the subjects we are going to teach. Yes, motivational subscriber. I am going to give the list of faculty names, subjects, what they are going to teach here. Everything I will provide in this video. Motivational subscriber. Very nice name for you. So I will provide you everything. So I would like to tell here one thing. I am going to take this session based on my experience by teaching n number of students since the last 10 years. With the viewpoint of view of the student, I am explaining this with the difficulties faced by various students, their views, and the tips and suggestions provided by top rankers who got top ranks in GATE. From their viewpoint, how they prepared, how they make their timetable, what they studied, what not they studied. Based on their experience, they shared a lot of information to me. Because in 10 years I have seen, I have trained so many number of top rankers. So most of my students now, they are IAS officers. They are working in AP and TS state government AEE jobs. And most of my students are working as research scholars in IITs and NITs. From those top rankers, clear, from those top rankers, I am going to take inputs and I am giving it for you. So DSing, I taught in ACE Engineering Academy. Other than MedEasy, most of coaching centers in India I taught. But I worked long time in ACE Engineering Academy, Mr. DSing. Now GATE 2021, your preparation strategy or plan for GATE 2021 we are discussing now. So first thing, you have to put your goal, set the goal. Mostly what the goal the people will set? Most of the students feel their rank must be below 1000, their rank must be below 500, their rank must be below 5000. Just they adjust to that numbers. But put your goal, target, year 1, All India GATE rank 1. Here, you can put your rank goal as All India top rank 1. If your aim is high, target is high, so that you are going to prepare at that much standard. If you put 1000 rank, you may fall down to 5000. If you put 500 rank, you may fall down to 3000. So if you put your rank goal as 1, surely you will get between 100 to 150. So high target is very, very important. Goal setting, put rank target as 1, not 10, not 1000, not 2000. First aim for first rank only. Then make a plan for it. Plan means prepare a timetable. Prepare a timetable to achieve it. Then strategy. Strategy means you have clear picture regarding what to study and what not to study. This is very important for a ranker. What to study and what not to study, that is very important strategy you need to perform. After making timetable, after knowing subject wise weightage, after knowing what to study and what not to study, then your action. Action means preparation. Action means not fighting. Okay. Yes, desing, I will plan for it also. Hydrology and irrigation. Now we are going with environmental engineering PYQs. After environmental engineering PYQs, I am planning hydrology irrigation also. So comprehensive course batch also I will make it possible. Desing, no issue. Now, action means not fighting. Remember, my dear students, action means, action is your plan of action already you written on paper. Whatever you have written on paper, show it in work. That is your action. Your preparation is your action. Put your 100%, not 100%, even more than 100%. 100% of your time, your efforts, your abilities, everything you put for your exam preparation. Very important thing. What you are preparing, how much you are preparing, at what standard you are preparing, analyzing time to time. How can you analyze? This analysis you can done by writing test series, online test series. This analysis is done, is possible only if you perform effectively. Write down all online test series exams. All this combinedly make you to reach your goal of year 1. Clear? So your plan, strategy, action, effort, analysis finally bring very close to your goal. Finally you hit the goal. Okay. Now, the basic thing everyone knows it. GATE exam pattern. GATE exam pattern. GATE exam is conducted for 100 marks. GATE exam is total 100 marks. You have 65 questions. 31 marks questions, 30 marks. 35 2 marks questions, 70 marks. So total 65 questions and 100 marks. I think this is most of the students who are preparing for GATE, they know very well. So 30 questions of 1 mark, 30 marks. 35 questions of 2 marks, 70 marks. And in total 65, 30 questions are numerical answer questions. Means fill in the blank. Mostly you don't know what is numerical. So out of 65 questions, problematic questions are there. Numerical means students will feel problematic. Several problematic are there. Whatever given, fill in the blank. No options. A, B, C, D options are not there. Fill in the blank. Those 30 questions we call numerical. No negative marking. So you can answer all these 30 questions without any doubt. Even though you have some problem, you may fail to answer correctly also, no problem, because there is no negative mark. For the remaining 35 questions which are provided with MCQ options, multiple choice questions. For 1 mark question, 1/3 negative marking. For 2 marks questions, 2/3 negative marking. So depending on it, you must be very, very careful regarding writing these multiple choice questions. There are so many twists. There is a confusion between one option to other option. So much confusion among the MCQs. So be careful. Even that before that confusion also, because of that confusion, you are going to give negative marks. So most of the students are getting more negative marks. Confusion in the options, confusion in the unit conversions and all those things. So be careful while answering MCQs. But numerical answer questions, there is no negative marking, you can go ahead. So what we have to know regarding exam preparation, what we have to know is about weightage, subject wise weightage. What subject carries more weightage, what subject carries less weightage. Based on that, you can understand what to prepare and what not to prepare. In which subjects order we have to prepare, what is timetable preparation, what are revision tips. So finally you are going to hit the target. Now first of all, before going to discuss about subjects weightage, whatever your requirements, what are required for preparation. What are requirements for preparation? First one, the class notes, well written, good lecture notes. Here, well written, good lecture notes. If you are attending coaching, the faculty, whatever he is teaching, everything you can write down in your notes, whatever the words coming from the faculty. Each and every point you write down very well neatly. You make your lecture notes, class notes very well. So most of the questions, if your faculty is a top class, if he has more experience in teaching GATE and ESC, so he will give the perfect notes to you. Most of the questions will come from your classroom notes only. No need to go for any other textbooks and all those things. Then, after classroom notes, take materials from any top coaching centers. How these materials will help you? These materials are help you to read more information regarding theory, regarding theoretical concepts, more information, and also it will help for question practice sessions. This also helpful. Here, to prepare the theory, more theory which is not covered in lecture notes, and after preparing theory, numericals and already solved lecture notes numericals. Are you providing only engineering math SK? What is engineering math SK, Mr. Surendra Reddy? So question practice, after completing your lecture notes, solving numericals in the lecture notes, new questions are required. For the new questions, this material is going to very much helpful for you. Then, very important, you have to purchase one previous year questions book. Nearly 30% of marks you will gain by preparing previous year question book. Surely 30 marks, especially in GATE exam, 30 marks all previous models only. No doubt about it. Exposing to questions. Okay. Clear? So to practice more models, you have PYQ question book. So you can purchase any of the coaching center previous year question book. There may be 500 pages. Don't worry about number of pages. Topic wise you complete the topics. Today, for example, 2 hours, one topic finished in your class. The same topic, you go through your lecture notes. The same topic, you go through material theoretical question. Practice the questions in the material and also practice PYQs book. And very important, remember, before you are going for GATE exam, you have to revise this PYQ at least minimum 3 times. 3 times revision of PYQs bring you the top answer questions. So directly, blindly you can answer most of the questions if you have completed 3 times. Aurobindo, best source for studying. What mode of studying you require Aurobindo? You need material or you need video classes like that. Okay, I will give finally my mobile number. Personally we will discuss what source of studying and all those things. So for GATE, I will tell you, for material, you can go for materials which are available for ACE Engineering Academy text materials, no problem, that is very good. PYQs also you can take Ace Academy PYQ textbook, no problem for it. Then all are these one side, online test series is on other side. Very important. Online test series, very important. Online test series. So mostly students are not going to write all number of tests available on online test series. You are going to write 2 tests, 3 tests. By getting negative marks in the first 2 or 3 tests, what you will do? You skip it, na? You feel that is getting demotivated. Don't worry if you are getting negative marks in online test series. Worry if you get negative marks in GATE exam. So after completion of online test series, take printout. Okay, no problem, money may be going on. Take printout. Then write your mistakes on paper. Read those mistakes 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Don't repeat the mistake again. ESC again I will have motivational subscriber again after 4 days or 5 days again I will take ESC. No problem, motivational subscriber. Clear? Write your mistakes on paper and read those mistakes 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Correction of mistakes, not means mistakes means whatever you have did, you no need to think it. So where you did the mistake, identify the mistake, write it on paper, correct it, and corrected values, corrected formulas, corrected sentences. Read it several times. Remember that mistake don't repeat in GATE exam. So till that time you have to prepare it. Clear? Don't repeat again in another online test series in GATE exam. If you start doing this, your most of negative marks gone away. In online test series, you are getting negative marks only because the standard is very high. But don't worry, no one knows your marks. You are only knowing your marks. Clear? So whatever wrong answers you have did, you done correct. Forget about correct answers. Whatever wrong answers you got, write it down on paper, write down where you did the mistake, correct it, and that corrected formula, corrected sentences by heart, study. Okay, Surendra Reddy, you send WhatsApp message to me, we will discuss about it. Okay. Karnasagar, we will discuss. I told you already regarding online test series. I will provide you that online test series to you. Okay. So don't repeat the mistake again and again. Repeating mistakes will give you wrong negative marks. So if you are doing this, most of your negative marks are gone. So very important, along with all this, while preparation, make a short notes. These short notes will help you. Short notes in the form of tables, flowchart, diagrams, clear, comparative chart, comparative analysis, which should helpful. Within short time you finish entire subject. Within 1 day you have to complete one subject, like that. In the last month, December and January, for revision purpose, this short note will help you very much. Clear? Now, I will give new points also, again and again. Subject-wise weightage. Civil engineering, according to me, getting good rank in GATE civil engineering is very easy. The only thing you need a proper plan, proper strategy. You have to undergo what subjects are important, what subjects are not important. A proper guidance is needed for you. The one who guides you properly is there with you. Surely you will get within top 100 ranks. So subject wise weightage, we have a big number of list of subjects. Even in coaching centers, people are going to teach nearly 500 hours, 600 hours, 700 hours, even 800 hours also for civil engineering. Yes, subjects are there, that many subjects are there, but all subjects are not important to you. Very important thing, you remember it. All subjects are not important to you. So you need to know what subject carry how much weightage. In the technical, we'll discuss about aptitude and math after some time. Coming to technical subjects, geotechnical engineering, 12 to 14 marks, the subject with the highest weightage in civil engineering core subjects. Okay, subject with the highest weightage in core civil engineering subjects. Then environmental, second important, and this time who is conducting GATE exam? Tell me. Which IIT is conducting GATE exam this time? Guess, any one of you know it? Or Jagannath Reddy? Who is conducting GATE exam this time? Yes, IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay is the organization which focus more complicated and analytical questions, geotechnical engineering and environmental engineering. So this time more weightage we may expect also. Yes, correct. Gopi Satish. So this time you can expect more weightage from geotech and environmental. Geotech may lead to 15-16 marks, environmental 12 to 13 marks. So highest prioritized subject for IIT Bombay, geotech and environmental engineering. And after that, transportation 8 to 10, strength of material 6 to 8, fluid mechanics, open channel flow, hydraulic machinery, combinedly all three 8 to 10. Hydrology, again hydrology you focus IIT Bombay, you can focus hydrology also this time, 6 to 8 marks. RCC and PSC 6 to 7. Structural analysis, plastic theory 5 to 6 marks. Surveying 4 to 5, CMM 3 to 4, steel 2, mechanics 2, irrigation 0 to 2. So this list you can get anywhere. Now I am telling, remember it, very important. So important subjects to prepare for GATE examination. So remember, this is only for GATE, don't apply for ESC. This strategy and whatever I am writing only related to GATE. This strategy is not applicable, not suitable for ESC examination. Now we'll have important subjects. First one you go for engineering mathematics. For civil engineering you are getting around 12 to 13 marks. For civil engineering, engineering mathematics 12 to 13 marks you have. And those who are now unable to read total subject of engineering mathematics, those most of the civil engineering students especially, they are afraid of mathematics. And also those who are coming from those who are coming from diploma background, they also worry about it. So you go through calculus, differential equation and linear algebra. These three topics will give you 7 marks surely. Clear? If you are unable to complete 100% of math, you are worrying, afraid of math. Don't worry. At least these three, calculus, differential equation, linear algebra, these are very important. You will get 6 to 7 marks from this point. So these are important for, especially I am talking about civil engineering students. Okay, especially for civil engineering students. Then we have aptitude and English combinedly we have 15 marks. Okay, aptitude and English combinedly we have 15 marks. So now, as we discussed previously, geotech. So take maximum weightage we are considering. Okay, 13 marks only. Maybe it is normal IIT, not IIT Bombay. General condition will take 13 marks. Geotech we have. Then environmental engineering, take weightage 12 marks. Environmental, geotech, nearly same weightage we have, 12 marks. Then immediately you shift to OCF, open channel flow, because only small topic, 3 topics are there. Within that 3 topics, for sure you will have 4 marks. Clear? For sure you will get 4 marks from open channel flow. Then don't read complete transportation engineering. I am going to say only prepare highway, railways, airport, tunnels, all that thing. Airport engineering, big name, we are attracted, so we feel very proud. But from gate point of view, most of the questions are not provided. Tunnels, railway engineering, clear? All those are less weightage. You focus on highway engineering, you will get 8 marks here. Here you will get 8 marks. Then after this, strength of materials, you will have 6 to 7 marks. Mostly sometimes 10 marks also they will provide. Clear? Sometimes 10 marks also they will provide. Hydrology, surely you have 4 to 5 marks. So after reading this whole, how many subjects? Engineering, math and aptitude is mandatory, you have to read it. In core, how many subjects you are preparing? Geotech, environmental, open channel flow, highway engineering, strength of materials, hydrology. Clear? Then out of this, surely you have 75 marks. Clear? So first you focus on these important subjects. First you focus on these important subjects after you have finished all these important subjects. Then you go for, so first what is your target? Important subjects, and especially in important subjects, what you have to prepare? In important subjects, you have to prepare first important topics, not 100% of syllabus. I am not going to say to prepare 100% of syllabus, important topics only. Clear? Yes, Vikas, what is your analysis? You have shown to me that is correct. Sumit, if you need important topics, I have a PDF, important topics list for PDF. You send WhatsApp message to me, Sumit. I will give you. Okay. So your first target is reading important subjects and in it also important topics. For example, I will take environmental. I am an expert of environmental. If you take the syllabus, very vast syllabus is there. 24 topics are there. In that only 12 topics are coming in GATE exam. 12 topics not coming in GATE exam. So unnecessarily wasting, for example, a topic like oxidation pond. Oxidation pond is not important. Trickling filter, septic tank, all these topics mostly not required for GATE exam. So unnecessarily wasting time on these unimportant topics. So for each subject you prepare list of important topics. From that list of important topics, first you finish your first target. So how much time is needed for it? Most of your major time. Okay. Most of your time you spend for it. You take 4 months time for it. Important subjects and important topics, 4 months time you spend for it. All important topics, all important subjects you can finish off. Then what is second choice? Important topics in unimportant subjects. Important topics in unimportant subjects. You finish this in 1 month. So what are unimportant? How can we decide? For example, when we take irrigation, morning session there is one question, 2 marks. Afternoon session there is no question. Same mechanics. Every 1 year or 2 years alternatively they will give one question. So spending a lot of time on irrigation, you may get 1 mark or you may not get 1 mark. That is unnecessary. So focus on the subjects like irrigation, mechanics, steel. Steel also. Clear? Steel also, 2 topics are very important to you. So joints, connections. Remaining are mostly not required. Same CMM, surveying. These are the subjects you feel not important. So whatever I have written, all these are important. This is also important. Remaining unimportant. These are unimportant. If you have specific time, even also FMHM last you put it. First you focus on open channel flow. Clear? Subject wise weightage, open channel flow contain more marks when compared with the fluid mechanics. So all these subjects, first you prepare. All these subjects, what you prepare? Important topics only. You prepare important topics only. Clear? Prajwal Singh, aptitude, there will be separate strategy for aptitude. Basically your brain should be sharp so that only easily you can understand aptitude. So important topics in survey. So Prajwal, in GATE 2020 airport question is there, but thinking about one question wasting 10 days, that is unnecessary. Na? By the end of the session, Dhruv, I will provide you WhatsApp number. Yes, Viresh, I sent you, I think so, PDF related to important topics to you. Otherwise, I will send it to you today, Viresh. Then third, still you find more time you are capable of preparing. Then what you will go? Unimportant topics in important subjects. Unimportant topics in whatever you left now previously I said. First 4 months you focus on important topics in important subjects. So whatever you left about first, those unimportant topics outlines you finish it off. Unimportant topics in important subjects you can focus 15 days. So what about unimportant topics in unimportant subjects? Don't read it. Don't waste your time. Clear? Unimportant topics in unimportant subjects is unnecessary. You are focusing, wasting your time for 1 mark, 2 marks. You are spending lot of time. Don't waste your time like that. Focus on 1, focus on 2. After that, if you have sufficient time, focus on 3. Still you have time. Go for PYQs and go for revision. These are the 4 steps you need to follow to crack GATE examination. Okay. So Shashank, Dhruv, Viresh, Prajwal, if you need topics, important topics list, you send a WhatsApp message to me. I will send the PDF file related to each subject wise list is there. I will forward you. Okay. So PYQs and revision, if you have sufficient time still after completion of all this, still sufficient time is there. Okay. I will give you timetable for it. Yes, Gopi Satish, I will tell you. Shashank, by the end of the session, I will provide you mobile number. Okay. Yes, 5th one will focus on test series. So both PYQs, test series, revision, we can do parallelly, not after completion of the 3. Not after completion of the 3. We can do all these things parallelly. Clear? We can do parallel preparation only, not after completion of the 3. Okay. Then very important, subjects order and timetable. Subjects order already we discussed. Whatever the list I have given, you go through preparation in the same order of preparation. This list I have given, order of preparation, the same you can go through it. So that is very much helpful for you. Timetable. So other than classes, remember, you may attend coaching classes, You may attend video classes, whatever you are going to college also, you are college going student also. So whatever it may be, your 6 hours time is effectively required. 6 hours time is needed effectively. In the 6 hours, 2 hours you go with one core subject preparation. 2 hours you spend for preparing one core subject. 2 hours math and apti. Clear? Or math or apti. That is up to you. Math and apti 1 hour, 1 hour. Or today 2 hours math, tomorrow 2 hours apti, like that. That is student to student, depending upon capability you can change it. 1 hour you prepare PYQs, you can solve PYQs. 1 hour everyday revision. So if I write revision every day, you are worrying why everyday revision like that? Because whatever you have completed, mostly the students what will do, first I will tell you. Clear? Mostly what the students will do, they prepare one subject continuously for 15 days, a long stretch 15 days, one subject for, let us say for example, geotechnical engineering. They prepare class notes, they prepare material, they solve all questions, then 15 days finished. Full complete geotech is ready. They are ready to write exam. Then they throw the books of geotech aside. Then they start transportation. Again 15 days, one more 15 days, continuously they are preparing transportation only. By the 30th day, they remember only transportation, they don't remember geotech anything. If you ask any question from geotech, nothing in their brain. Then 31st day to 40th day, they prepared hydrology. On 40th day, if you ask question from hydrology only, they will answer. They won't answer questions from geotech and previous transportation. Clear? Every day 1 hour. Divya, I am saying every day 1 hour revision. Not 1 month 1 hour. Every day 1 hour revision. So what you are doing, I will tell you. So first 10 days you completed subject 1. First 10 days you completed subject 1. Now next you are preparing subject 2. Subject 2 you are preparing 2 hours. Then revision of subject 1, what is already completed subject. So you open your short notes, you go through formula, you go through theory, whatever. For already first 0 to 10 days you have taken this 10 days subject revision 1 hour. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, while preparing second subject. Got the point? Divya, if you do everyday revision, it is not required to take more time, Divya. Pranam Navneet, kaise hai aap? So I am saying first subject 1 is completed at 10 days. Then whatever you have prepared 10 days, subject is already you have completed your lecture notes, you have completed PYQs, you have completed everything related to subject 1. Then while preparing second subject, got the point? While preparing second subject, you are spending 2 hours for second subject. Na? First subject you go for revision for 1 hour. First subject you spend 1 hour for revision. Then 30 days are over, you finished 2 subjects. This same 1 hour slot, provide it for revision of both half an hour for first subject, half an hour for second subject. Like that. Yes, that is best choice, Tabriz. UPSC Civil Engineering as a choice, that is very best choice. Okay. Yes, Dhruv, I will tell you how to make short notes also, I will tell about it. So first of all, we go through this plan, timetable plan and other those things. Then, one core subject, 2 hours, math and apti 2 hours, 1 hour previous year questions, 1 hour revision. Means already completed subjects, you have to go through it every day. Every day your brain is contact with already completed subjects. Then only that subject will not wash away from your brain. So if you do that for 2 months or 1 month continuously, thereafter you left first subject, you go for second, third, like that. So consecutive analysis or revision is required. If you are capable spending more time, so more time you spend. If you have more time to spend, go for test series, online test series, practice questions. Practice more questions. N number of questions. How many subjects you are going to prepare? You prepare that many number of subjects. Manish Kumar Jha, if you are taking more than 15 hours, 15 days for a subject, Manish Kumar, if you spend more than 15 days on a subject, you are not studying effectively. If you have listened the class, you have written the notes, notes is written by yourself, not others' notes. Okay, you listened a proper class, you have written the notes. 30 hours is enough to finish one subject. 15 days, every day 2 hours, 30 hours is enough for completing one subject. If you have written your notes, you have attended already the session. Yes, that consistency is the very much key. Most of the students demotivated in 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, they are not going to study it. So after finishing off subject, you go for test series, Prajwal. But PYQs every day you do it. For example, today in hydrology you are studying topic of infiltration. Today itself you complete PYQs of infiltration. Today in environmental you are studying topic of noise pollution. Today itself we finished noise pollution PYQs. Okay, got the point. How to join Unacademy? NMS. You send WhatsApp message in the final end of the session. I will give my mobile number. You take my mobile number, you WhatsApp me. I will tell you all the details. Okay, this is not related to UPSC AE. This is related to GATE. Now even though you have notes, no problem, Manish Kumar, you rewrite the notes. Writing the notes will make you 5 times reading. So people are used to habituated not to write. They simply read like newspaper. So take the paper reading like this, no use. Put your pen on paper, write the notes, rewrite the notes, prepare short notes, then only it will be very helpful. You will finish the subject early. If you are studying like a newspaper, reading like a newspaper, never you crack GATE exam. Put pen on paper, prepare formulas, write down the short notes, write down your original notes. Your original notes only will give you the rank. Okay. So this is strategy or timetable you can make. You may increase the number of hours depending upon your capability. You may change pattern, change the subjects, because each student have his own ability, strength, and also have his own weakness. Based on that, you can adjust this timetable, make it comfortable for you. Got the point? Every student has its own strength and own weakness. Based on that, you can prepare your own timetable. This is basic platform for you. Yes, Surendra Reddy, that's what I told you. Don't get demotivated. I have written clearly. Whatever you are preparing online test series standard is very high. Because you are exposing to 200% difficulty. GATE exam you are writing 100% difficulty. So test series help you to learn more knowledge, more formula, more new subject. Write down whatever you have did the mistakes. Don't worry, don't get demotivated by test series. Gain marks by test series. Write it down on paper, new points, new topics, new mistakes. If you do it. How many times you have done test series? Yes, these are only give more marks, Nawaz. Geotech, transportation, environmental, these are only give more marks, Nawaz. Okay. Very important, remember, test series you are writing only once. No, don't do like it. You finish the test series, revise the test series also, write second time, third time also, so that you will get more confidence while going towards a GATE examination. Okay. Then we discuss about short notes. We'll discuss about short notes. Okay, till now you write SOM and FM, okay. Good evening, Devashish. Yes, Rishav Kumar, I told this is the pattern. Morning 3 hours, evening 3 hours you spend other than your job time. That is more than enough, Rishav Kumar. Personally, I will guide you. Send WhatsApp message to me. I will guide you properly. Yes, GATE questions and test series are sufficient. No need of IS questions. Dhruv. IS is different pattern. Wow, nice, Patel. Your little brother got 52 rank in GATE Chemical Engineering. Nice to hear this. Good evening, Asif Khan. By self-study, to all students who want self-study, I would like to tell you one thing. Competitive coaching is running in India very vast. The reason behind it is the teachers make simplified the learning process. Because competitive coaching require shortcut formula. You never get a shortcut formula by self-study. You don't understand shortcut formula also. You have taken notes from one of your friend. Without explaining how that shortcut formula is coming, you are in a lot of confusion. So the teachers in competitive coaching, they are experts in providing shortcut formula. This is very important. They will simplify the subject. The big complicated topic, best example, hydrograph. Hydrograph is more complicated. Then I have given 1 session, 1 hour session in Unacademy hydrograph. In single formula, all hydrographs I have explained. Simplified the subjects. So, and also highness of GATE problems. So these highness of GATE problems, how to make it simple, that is taught to you by teachers. So in coaching center material, notes and all those things, these things not given to you. Shortcut formula, simplifying the subject, high problem to make it simple, how to approach, that is important. High problems, how to approach and make them simple, that approach is provided in coaching center only, coaching only, classroom only. If you have a good teacher, he will make it easy for you, provide shortcut formula, simplify the subjects, and will provide you best approach for you to simplify it. So without it, you are not going to get it. Okay, then short notes. So regarding short notes, first write list of formulas. Don't write everything in the short notes. Very important. So we are habituated to write the total theory, what is there in the notes, the same thing we are dumping in short notes. No, write list of formulas. If you feel theory is important and your teacher said it, theory is important, then prepare flow chart for theory. If there are comparative studies, make tables for comparative study. Best example I will tell you, make tables for comparative study. Best example, will take quality of water. In chemical quality analysis, we have various parameters. No? Color, in chemical quality, pH, hardness, alkalinity, acidity, like this. Each one have its own permissibility, own indicator, own titrant, own color change. So you make one table. Clear? Name of the indicator, name of titrant, color change, permissible limit, name of the method. So one table, prepare it. Stick on to the wall near to you. So every day after wake up, you go through that. After 10 days, everything is in your brain. No need to read again. So like that, you prepare a comparative study tables. That that the tables will give you. Asif Khan, already I told you. So don't worry about math. There are so many faculty in Unacademy who make the math very much simplified for you. Even though you are not strong at math, you prepare these three: calculus, differential equation, linear algebra. In civil engineering gate point of view, you don't want, in core subjects, don't want that much math here. Okay. Yes, Patel, test series is enough for GPSC AE. Asif Khan, don't worry about math in core subjects. Only you focus on 3 topics in math, so that it will be very much helpful. Yes, Tabraj, what said is correct. Then, so this is shortcut formula, simplify subjects approach is only by teachers. Then, make tables for comparative study. Okay. Then, pictures. Draw pictures to identify the most tough topics. Draw some picturized visualization and give some notations. You make your own notation, easy understanding for you. So make some notations and give some pictures. So you prepare short notes. Your short notes must be 30 to 40 pages only, not 100 pages, 200 pages for each subject. Highest you can go 30 pages, that is best short notes. Don't go for 100 pages, 200 page short notes, that is not short notes. Okay, for one subject you can go ahead with only 30 pages. Write consolidated list of formula, prepare flowchart, make tables, pictures and give some shortcut notations according to your own convenience. You can make it. That will be very helpful. So Prajwal self-study, NV, Geotech, by self-study it will take one subject, 1 month you take, you finish it. In 2 months you will finish both subjects, NV and Geotech, Prajwal Singh. So the first important thing, 5 tips you need to crack GATE and ESC. You need clarity in the concepts whatever you are studying. Yes, picture and notation very important, Tabrez. So you need conceptual clarity, what you are studying, your understanding, your visualization, that concept clarity. If you are taking coaching, your teacher must have concept clarity. Because there are so many teachers, because nowadays YouTube will give so many free lectures, Unacademy also will give so many free lectures. There are so many doctorates, there are so many research scholars dumping so much unnecessary content into the student. But with respect to specific subject what you are preparing, your teacher has to provide it. Clear? If you are preparing for GATE, GATE oriented lecture. If you are preparing for ESC, ESC oriented concept. Like that, exam to exam, the concept difference, depth of the knowledge is also different. So your teacher must have clarity. Based on that, you also will get concept clarity. Exam to exam strategy is different. Create short notes. Very important. Consistently you must be focused on preparation. Don't leave in the middle. So what test you are preparing, only focus on the test. Don't put your legs on 2 boats. Put both legs in single boat only, so that only you crack it. Okay, put your both legs in single boat, not in 2 boats, so that you will get clarity about it. Purchased handwritten notes. Oh, I am hearing about it only first time, Prajwal. You send me WhatsApp message from where you purchase. That is not correct to discuss about this here on YouTube live. Okay, we'll discuss personally about it. From where you purchased, how it is. Okay. So very important path to achieve success in GATE. First you learn, you know syllabus of GATE. Clear? First you know what is the syllabus of GATE and the subject wise weightage. By attending this class you got clarity. What are the important subjects? What is the very important things? The motivation to study dips down within a month. Most of the students having the same problem, punamia. Most of the students will be getting demotivated. I don't know why. So their consistency levels are very, very important. You feel that you are preparing for a big task. Don't feel that within one day you need success. Your journey is very long, 6 months journey. Within that 6 months you are going to achieve the target. Don't get demotivated. No one will motivate you. You are only your self motivator. Today I am taking a motivational session. It may work for 1 week, 10 days. But if you motivate yourself, throughout your journey your motivation will be there with you. Don't get demotivated. Don't get diverted. Very important thing. The only thing I will tell you, every day morning after wake up, sit alone for 10 minutes. Analyze what you did yesterday, how effectively spent your time for your target preparation. So every day if you do this, so what you did the mistake yesterday, today you are not going to do it. So in that 10 minutes closing your eyes, what you have did yesterday, you thought of it, you make one plan for today, then you approach, you continue planning it for today's work. Tomorrow again do it. So if it is habituated after 10-15 days, every day you have your own plan. So if you have a daily plan, clear, if you have a daily plan, weekly plan, monthly plan, you put target for you. That is only written here. So this is 6 months plan till now what we discussed. But you need a subject wise plan, you need a daily plan, make a revision plan and also self evaluation. Very important. So what we discussed, our target is a 6 months plan. But if you make timetable for 6 months, you keep aside, that is not achieved. You prepare, you make a plan for one subject, you make plan for one day, you make how to prepare revision and evaluate yourself. That is very important. Got it? Day to day you put target for you. You congratulate yourself if you reach your target. No one will congratulate you. Clear? No one will congratulate you. You congratulate yourself only. Day to day you put your target. Today I want to complete 5 topics in geotech. Today you have finished. So take party for yourself. You only do take party. Enjoy whatever you want. So like that you congratulate yourself. You can motivate yourself. Teacher can motivate only for limited period. You can motivate yourself. Put one daily plan, daily target, weekly target. So you can write it down on board. You make one ladder board. So you write this is a daily plan, this is weekly plan. So you put tick marks whether you have reached the daily plan or not reached it. So based on it, so whenever you are seeing that board, so you are stay focused, nothing will be deviated. Got it? Got it, Ranjan? Then get syllabus and subject wise weightage, you got it by this. Then find the right resources and books. You are going to find best books, best material, best teacher. Very important. Best teacher, best books, best material, best online test series. All right resources. So what are required for resources? I told you already. What is required? Best class notes. This one, best class notes, best material, best PYQ book, best online test series. And you have to prepare your best short notes. Then you are going to have all best resources. So find the right resources. So as I said, you plan your study, timetable, day-wise list, weekly list. Then prepare your own short notes. Improve your accuracy. Find what you are doing the mistakes. Don't repeat those mistakes next time if you are doing. Do revision. Do practice. Very important. Stay focused. Then finally you achieve the success. Clear? Whatever first thing completed, because you attended this session, first work completed, gate syllabus, subject wise weightage, you know it. So next thing, now you are in a journey to know what are best resources, best teacher, best book, best class notes, best online test series. You can find it. Make your timetable. Then make daily targets. Then prepare your own short notes. and day to day write the test series, improve your accuracy, make n number of revisions. Okay, so this will help you. Why students fails in GATE exam? Why students fails in GATE exam? First, their goal will be 5,000 rank, 10,000 rank. They will be adjusted with NITs or local colleges. They are working for a scholarship only. No, don't put like that. Put goal, GATE first rank. Then you are preparing like BTech subjects. BTech is different, GATE is different. Prepare your own GATE timetable. So, not making short notes. Out of 100 students preparing, only 10 students are making short notes. 90 students borrow short notes from friends. So don't borrow short notes from friends. Prepare your own short notes. Clear? Don't borrow your friends' short notes. Your short notes only helpful for you. So unnecessarily dump. You are focusing more on unnecessary dump. Don't go for it. Clear? Don't focus on unnecessary dump. Focus on what is required. That is very important. Knowing what concepts to study, what concepts not to study. Clear? You have to know. Most of the students not know about it. That was given by your teacher. That is very important. Teachers are dumping unnecessary content, giving 800 hours, 600 hours like that. Don't waste your time like that. Approach best teacher, best faculty. Know what concepts to study, what concepts not to study for GATE. So basics, very important. You are not learning these basics from your college. At least while preparing GATE examination, stick on to basics. First learn the basic subjects, basic focuses. So based on it, you can make it. So very important. Study plan and routine. Surendra Reddy, you may getting bored by revision, but that impact will show you. While revising you are getting bored, but your brain is not getting bored. Your heart is saying why you are reading this much, but your brain is very happy. It is going to store so much of information repeatedly that helps you in exam. Clear? That helps you in exam. So many students will take coaching from top coaching centers, top faculty. So many students are prepared, but those brain working in the exam, exactly answering in the exam, those are only rankers. Clear? Within 3 hours, those brain is working sharply and giving the information. That is possible only by repeated revision. Surendra Reddy. In the movie July, there is a dialogue. I think Surendra Reddy, you know it. At the time of exam, those who will write, those whose brain is working sharply whenever required, those are only rankers. Here. So how much you read, how much you prepare, how much you practiced, that is secondary. At the time of 3 hours of GATE exam, how much your brain inputs are giving you. That is possible only by continuous revision. Got it, Surendra Reddy? So no proper material, due to this lack also, most of the students, no proper material, no proper guidance, most of the students are failed. Practice is very important. Self motivation is very important. So these things, again I am repeating, put your goal, fix your goal, rank 1, prepare a timetable, prepare your own short notes, don't borrow from your friends, don't read unnecessary, focus on necessary content only, get what concepts to study, what concepts not to study, then focus on basics. Prepare your own study plan, own timetable. Don't borrow friends' study plan, friends' timetable. Because all students, all guys are not same. Person to person varying. So you can make your own timetable. So get proper material and proper guidance from your teachers. Practice more. You are only yourself motivator. No one will motivate you. Okay? And during this journey, don't give up yourself. During this journey, don't give up on yourself. Throughout this 6 months journey, you yourself get motivated. Don't give up in the middle.